Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear cache and cookies on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to clear cache and cookies of your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, you just have to simply open your settings app here, go for general, and go for software update. I recommend you have to check for software updates. Once you have updated your software, you have to simply go back and here if you want to clear cache and cookies for any specific app, you have to go for general, go for iPhone storage, and here just look for the app of which you want to clear cache and cookies files. So for example, I'm going to select WhatsApp app from here. Just select the WhatsApp app and your iPhone. You don't have any direct way to clear cache. But if you want to clear cache, you have to offload the app. So in offloading, it will delete app data. It will not delete any kind of your account or your account settings. It will just delete the app cache files. So just tap on this offload app. Once you have uploaded your app, just tap on reinstall the app option and it will reinstall the app. So it will make a refresh into your app's storage. So it will clear all kind of cache files. So once you have done, there will no any cache file remaining in your iPhones for this app. Or if you want to clear cache and cookies for your browser, you have to go back and open this apps section. Look for your browser. In my case, I have Safari, so I'm going to open Safari here. Once you get the Safari, tap on that. Just scroll down and look for the option of clear history and website data. You must have to tap on this option. Then select all history, tap on clear history from here. So it will clear all the history, cache files, and cookies for your iPhone or your Safari browser. So once you have done, you have to go back. So after clearing cache, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone to make a quick refresh in your iPhone system. So now to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, it will help you to make a refresh in your iPhone system. So after that, it will clear all the cache files of your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.